Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I want to show you how you can turn your tablet soap into a liquid bathing soap, all right, with any fruit of your choice. Today we'll be making use of a very popular fruit, so let's see how it goes. We'll be making a cucumber liquid bathing soap. All right, so you get one cucumber and you can blend it, you can shred it like this. All right, it's better blended so that you can get the juice. Now I had to add in my rose water. You can make use of normal water. All right, so at this point the color wasn't giving me the kind of green I wanted. I had to add in a water soluble color for the green. All right, so if you don't want to add the color, the color add or remove nothing from the product. I do just for aesthetics, nothing much. Now we're using Joy soap. This Joy is a cucumber based soap. You shred it as well. Now by the time you are shredding this, your cucumber water is already on fire, heating up. Make sure it's on a low heat so that all the vitamins will be retained. Now you turn in your shredded Joy soap. You can make use of any soap, but I want let it be white so that this green color will be popping up. Do you understand? All right, so you allow it to mix, your soap to mix very well with your cucumber water. Then when it has cooled down very well, you add in your vitamin C and vitamin E. I use 5 drops of vitamin C and 5 drops of vitamin E for this product. And the rose water I used was 250 ml of water. All right, so that is just what I used for this. Then you turn very well, and hold up. If you've not subscribed to my channel and then the kind of content you love, please do well to subscribe to my channel. It is free. It's free. Nobody's charging you. All right, turn on the notification bell so whenever I make a post like this, you will always be notified. Drop your thoughts on comment section, ask any question you want to ask, and I will always answer you. All right, so this is how you're going to get your liquid bathing soap done from your already have store-bought tablet soap. Some persons don't like tablet soap, they want to turn it into liquid soap because it is far easier for some persons. Someone like me, I love it when it's on the liquid format. So if you're someone like me that love it, you can do it this way, and at the same time you have incorporated a freshly made fruit into your soap. Now let me try it on my skin. You see it foams very well, nothing changed. Instead we'll have more of addition of nutrients and your skin is going to be skinning. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.